To further reduce the risk of errors, at Moog we have implemented numerous Poca yokes that couple to our smart servo machines, ensure our assembly lines provide you with the best products.
We benefit from PLC-controlled sensors for Poka-yoke in our production line to prevent processing of non-conforming products.
ポカヨケ、ポカヨケ
Pokayoke.
The term Poca yoke comes from Japanese and means mistake proofing or inadvertent error prevention. A Poca yoke is any mechanism in a process that helps an equipment operator avoid mistakes, yokoru Poca. Its purpose is to eliminate product defects by preventing, correcting, or drawing attention to human errors as they occur. Our vision sensors allow the cycle to start only after they ensure the correct components are loaded. Our Poca yoke sensors ensure components are introduced to the assembly in the correct orientation. Sensors inform the operator if both sides or a single side of a link stabilizer is assembled. When a scrap part is detected, sensors only allow the next cycle once the scrap part is placed inside the scrap box. We avoid operator errors that could cause flaws in the assembly and that could only be found through destructive tests. In this example, the correctly placed plastic seat does not sink in, and is detected by the Poca yoke laser. If the bearing is placed in the wrong orientation, we would assemble an out of specifications product that could fail prematurely. Thanks to the digital Poca yoke sensors, connected to the automation software, we avoid operator or component related issues with the highest efficiency.
You can find the correct Moog part for your vehicle using the Find My Part page on www.moogparts.eu. There, you will also find the links towards our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and Garage Gurus, a training and technical support program.